Are you tired of spending too much on the purchase of data? What if I told you that there are secret codes that can help to slash the cost of your data and still get more data for a lesser price? In this video, I'm going to reveal to you 11 powerful codes that can use to get this at a very cheaper rate from Airtel, and this will help to save costs in the purchase of data. If you are using other networks, I've also done similar done to get it at a very cheaper rate from other networks. I'm going to attach those other videos to the description of this video. After you finish watching this video, you can check the description of this video to get access to this other video. If this is the type of video that you like to watch, do well to like this video and also drop your comment in the comment section. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you different methods that can work from home and make passive income online. If that interests you, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications. So that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get notifications. So let's dive into the video. The first code to get it at a very cheap rate from Airtel is star 312 star 7 hash star 312 star 7 hash. So let's delete and see what you can get with this code. With 500 I can get 1 GB plus 1 GB bonus. Data will be valid for 1 day. So with 500 I can get 2 GB of data. So this is a very good option to get it at a very cheap rate from Airtel. The number 2 code to get it at a very cheap rate from Airtel is star 312 star 1 hash star 312 star 1 hash. So let's delete and see what this code can give to us. So this code is my area offer. You have 4 options that's available for you that can use to get cheap data with this code. The first option, with 100 naira, I can get 500 MB. It will be valid for 1 day. If you are going for this option, 1 GB of data is just 200 naira. The second option, with 200 naira, I can get 1.25 GB of data. It will be valid for 7 days. The third option, with 300 I can get 2 GB of data. It will be valid for 7 days. If you are going for this option, 1 GB of data is just 150. The fourth option, with 500 I can get 3.2 GB of data. It will be valid for 30 days. So you can use any of these options to get it at a very cheap rate from Airtel. The number 3 code to get it at a very cheap rate from Airtel is star 312 star 5 hash star 312 star 5 hash. So let's delete and see how this could look like. With 1.5 you can get 3.5 GB of data plus 3.5 GB, that is 7 GB of data, plus 2 GB of data for YouTube Night, plus 200 MB for YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. Data will be valid for 7 days. So with 1.5 I can get 9.2 GB of data. The number 4 code to get it at the very cheap rate from Airtel is star 312 star 6 hash star 312 star 6 hash. So let's delete and see what this code can give to us. With 750 you can get 2 GB plus 2 GB, that is 4 GB, plus 2 GB for YouTube Night, plus 200 MB for YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. So with just 750 you can get 6.2 GB of data, and this will be valid for 2 days. So this is a very good option to get it at a very cheap rate from Airtel. The number 5 code to get it at a very cheap rate from Airtel is star 312 star 2 star 1 star 5 hash star 312 star 2 star 1 star 5 hash. So let's delete and see what this code can give to us. With 15 I can get 200 MB. This data will be valid for 1 day, but this data is mostly for night browsing. You can make use of it from 12 AM to 5 AM in the night. So if you normally do a lot of work in the night, you can use this code to get it at a very cheap rate that you can use for your night browsing. The number 6 code to get it at a very cheap rate from Airtel is star 312 hash star 312 hash. Then you dial star, which is next. Then you dial 14, which is social plan. So this option is for social bundle. If you want to do a data that you want to use for your social media, maybe your Facebook, YouTube, TikTok and all of that, you can use this option. So you have 3 options that's available for you that can use to do your social bundle. The number 7 code to get it at the very cheap price from Airtel is *312 *4# *312 *4#. So let's delete and see what you can get with this code. With 3,000 I can get 10 gigabytes of data plus 2 gigabytes for YouTube Night plus 200 MB for YouTube, Instagram and TikTok, and this will be valid for 7 days. So with 3,000 I can get 12.2 gigabytes of data. So this one that good option that I can use to get data from Airtel. The number 8 code to get it at the very cheap price from Airtel is *303# *303#. So let's delete and see what you can get with this code. So this code is mostly for maybe if you are making call or if you are browsing and you run out of airtime or data, you can use this code to request airtime or data in advance. So if you want to request for airtime in advance, you dial 2, which is borrow airtime. Then if you want to request for data in advance, then you dial 3, which is borrow data. So let me dial 2 to show you. If you dial 2, it will bring you to this interface, so it will show you how much you can be able to request. So currently now I can be able to request for at least 345 naira in advance, then I can pay back later. So let me show you the one of the data. If you want to check the one of the data, then you dial 3 and borrow data. So it will also show you how much you can be able to request. So I can be able to request for 300 naira. So you can see the different MB that are available that I can be able to request for. So this is how to request for airtime or data in advance. The number 9 code to get it at the very cheap price from Airtel is *312 *2 *8# *312 *2 *8#. So let's delete and see what you can get with this code. You have 2 options that's available for you that can use to get it at a very cheap rate with this code. The first option with 4,000 I can get 15 gigabytes of data. The second option with 7.5 you will get 40 gigabytes of data. So I mostly go for the one of the second option. So if you are going for this option, then you dial 2 to bring you to this interface. This data will be valid for 30 days. Now they are not going to give you the whole of the data at once, so every day they're going to divide the 40 gigabytes of data for the 30 days. So every day they're going to be giving you 1.3 gigabytes of data, then they're going to spread it for the 30 days. So this is another good option to get data I can use for your Airtel. The number 10 code to get it at the very cheap price from Airtel is *312 *2 *5# *312 *2 *5#. So let's delete and see how this code look like. So this code is mostly for heavy data user. If you use data to run your business or to do your daily activities, you can use any of this option to get your data package from Airtel. So you have 5 options that's available for you. The first option with 10,000 I can get 35 gigabytes of data. The second option with 15,000 I can get 60 gigabytes of data. The third option with 20,000 I can get 100 gigabytes of data. The fourth option with 30,000 I can get 160 gigabytes of data. The fifth option with 40,000 I can get 210 gigabytes of data. The number 11 code to get it at the very cheap price from Airtel is *312 *2 *6# *312 *2 *6#. So let's delete and see what we can get with this code. If you want to do a data that will last you for a longer period of time, like 90 days, 4 months or 1 year, you can use any of this option to get your data. The first option with 50,000 you can get 300 gigabytes of data. Data will be valid for 90 days, that is 3 months. The second option with 60,000 I can get 350 gigabytes of data to be valid for 120 days, that is 4 months. Then the last option with 100,000 I can get 685 gigabytes of data to be valid for 365 days, that is 1 year. So you can use any of these options to get cheap data that will last you for a longer period of time on Airtel. So there you have it. With this code you can be able to get it at a very cheap price from Airtel. If you got value from this video, do well to like this video and also drop a comment on the comment section. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. If you want to learn how to get it at a very cheap price from other networks, you can watch the video that is showing next on your screen, or you can check the description of this video. So I will see you in my next video.